Now I'm not getting any connection. It's likely from the same sensor, the parking brake sensor. I don't think it's locking. Look at it, just keep pressing it. Maybe I sprayed liquid wrench into the sensor. Blade engagement sensor. Ignition switch wiring. Some other controller, sensor. Motor's free. I hear the solenoid clicking. Seat sensor. Let's see. If the brake is not on, the seat's got to be sensed. So right now it looks like the seat sensor is not jumped. So should be good. So let's press the seat sensor. Get my butt really in there. I hear the solenoid. Alright, let's try to maybe bypass some sensors. As it looks like the brake sensor is good. And it's being depressed. Let's try again. This was working before. I don't know what this is. This goes to something, but I don't know what. Alright, so I'm going to try bypassing some sensors to see if that might be the issue. And right now I got a jumper wire for the seat sensor. Might as well start there, right? So we'll start with the seat sensor. And we need to make a closed circuit. So I'll just take a piece of wire, I'll strip the end, and then the two ends. I'll show you where I put it. If this is the issue, all we do is just reconnect them and then call it a day. So we want to jump the white and black striped. So we take that jumper wire and press it right there between those two. Then we press down our brake again and try to crank, see if that worked. Nope. Try another combination. Maybe the other side. These are already jumped, so I doubt that would work. Let's try jumping to middle. See if that works. Nope. The two left side are jumped already. They're connected. So I don't know. Let me try connecting from this side. Maybe this is a better. I thought it was these two. Black and white. Maybe it's not this safety. Alright. I guess I could run through a diagnostic of all the seat safety switches. Or safety switches. All of them. Let me put this back on. That may not be our issue. Very strange. Alright. The only thing I really messed with was the parking brake. So it could be that, it's likely that switch. Let me see if I can locate that switch around here. Alright, I was able to jump it using the jumper pack, and I got it started. I'm holding on to the parking brake here, and let's see if I can move it. If I can get the transmission locked in. Transmission says it's locked in, but I don't know. Put this up higher. Nothing from the transmission. Oh! I got a little bit forward. Nothing in reverse. I got nothing in reverse. Too forward again. It just speeds up. It hasn't been used in a long time. Okay. I do have something. It's alive. I'm going to go get some air in these tires. Why I like the Polar Commands, because they really do. Oh, seat sensor, seat sensor is working, which is good for my customers. Can't get this parking to come up at all. So yeah, I'm going to leave it running. How can I leave it running if I have to be seated? I'm going to have to jump the seat sensor and then do this all again. Alright, so let's do that. So I can tell that both the seat sensor and the parking sensor are working. It's just that I'm not able to lock in the parking brake so that it can say that, oh yes, your parking brake is on, in order to start it. So I'm going to jump the seat sensor and just get it so that I can drive it over to the air station so I can put some air in the tires. So you got to jump the white to black, and that should give you the ability to go ahead and crank. Well, not cranking by the seat, crank by jump starting it. Maybe the ignition switch is not good. The lights come on though, so that's weird. All right, switch is on. Crank it by all right, we're cranking over here using the jumper pack directly on the starter. Why don't you come over on this side? So I got it on the motor, on the starter, and I'm just going to turn the power on to the jumper pack. I'm going to try to work it just like how I'd try to start it. Get a better ground connection. Seat sensor is not jumped properly. So let me connect. Let's connect the middle here. I had it over here. That didn't work, so I'm going to go here to here. See if that helps. And then let's try this. Okay, that fired off. So that's the correct way to jump. This arm is not connected anymore.